Hey guys, welcome back to Gherkin Beans Unboxing and Reviews. Today we've got a Bluetooth FM transmitter from Darythem. This Bluetooth transmitter does come with two USB jacks, one which is a speed charger at 2.1 amps and the other which is 1.2 amps. It does have a few more buttons than you'd expect on a Bluetooth FM transmitter. The silver knob right in the center, you'll see a small phone display on it. That actually doubles as a answering device and hang up if you were to get phone calls. Plus it is the volume knob. On your left and right of the device, it's got a forward and back to skip songs if you'd like, so you don't have to pick up your phone and be distracted while driving. Let's go ahead and put this in and show you guys a live demo of it. I know you're not going to get the true sound quality through the camera, through this microphone, but you'll get a good idea how easy it is to just set up and get connected right away. Alright, first thing you want to do is locate a cigarette lighter in your car. Mine has a power outlet in the ashtray of the car. We'll take out the little plug here and we'll plug in our Bluetooth FM transmitter. As we plug it in here, you'll see the boot up process. It says high and then it displays the battery voltage and it says Bluetooth, and now it says 88.1. That is the radio station that we're going to want to set our radio to, our car radio. Alright, our radio is on. I will hit the seek button and it should automatically switch to 88.1 because this is transmitting a signal to 88.1 that the radio recognizes as a strong solid signal, so your seek button will automatically find the radio station for you. Now we'll take our phone, make sure Bluetooth is on and searching, and we're going to look in this other devices category. There's our new Bluetooth transmitter device. We'll click that. Alright, you guys couldn't hear that, but there was an audible response that was transmitted from this to the radio that said Bluetooth connection success. So that lets us know that we are connected and ready to go. The phone also displays connected here as well. Now we'll just play some no copyright music and we can get a good idea of how the sound quality is transmitting from the new FM Bluetooth transmitter to the radio. What better way to test the audio quality with none other than no copyright sounds. Volume is all the way up on this device. You'll see volume is at 30.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
Alright guys, well, the only thing left to do is to make a phone call, but that is really hard to demonstrate because I have nobody to call right now and my wife is busy currently. You can expect the call quality to not be the best. I mean, the audio coming through the speakers is going to be great. It's going to sound like a speakerphone except through your radio, but your voice pickup is not too good on these things. I did review a past one who was similar to this where they had a small microphone on the device itself, which makes sense. I mean, where else are you going to put a microphone? But it's so far away from your face and it picks up the speaker volume coming through the speakers, so your recipient on the other side of the line is going to hear themselves echo a little bit. Also, the microphone in these devices aren't that great, so your voice going to them isn't the best. So I wouldn't really recommend it to make phone calls. You will still have to pick up your phone for that, but it's a great device to get Bluetooth audio to your car, which otherwise does not have Bluetooth capability. So with that, I got great news from Darythem. They actually sent out a second device for you guys. So if you head over to the description, click the link, enter the giveaway, we will be giving away a Darythem Bluetooth FM transmitter for free. No charge. Just follow the rules in the description and you guys will be entered into the giveaway. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.